Hi, it's coming up to year end. 2022 is almost over. Most of you are barely over the Christmas hangover and are probably getting ready for the one of New Year's Eve. So, what can I say that's both short and useful? Let's see. Last year, one of you viewers said, "We lazy, just tell us." That is, tell us what to buy and what to sell. Well, no, I won't do that. But I can summarize for you the whole secret of getting truly rich in the market through sleuthing. The secret has two parts. First part, find the very best stocks, maybe 5 to 8 of them, and buy them. Second part, hold on to them for 30 or 40 years. That's it. If you do that, you can retire sumptuously. Now, let me answer your obvious two questions. First, how to find the very best stocks. Second, how to resist selling them over 30 or 40 years because maybe they'll stop being the best sometime in the middle. The answer to the first question is the very best stocks have three essential qualities. First quality, they ride a rising demand, so the sales grow fast, faster than the economy. Second quality, these sales drop mostly to the bottom line as profit. And the third quality, they do it with little capital. That's it. High sales growth, high gross margins, high return on capital. Sum up the three percentages, and the stocks with the highest sums are likely among the best. Why only likely? Because now you have to sleuth the hell out of the top dozen or so to find what the numbers don't tell you. How? Get to know their people, their customers. Learn where the CEO went to school and what his or her classmates thought of them, and what the company's employees think of them now. Then find what the competitors think of the CEO and the CFO and the company and the products, all as per my first book, The Sleuth Investor. Buy it. Once you find who these stocks are, buy the top stocks that passed your sleuthing filter and keep sleuthing them as you hold them, more and more deeper and deeper, just to make sure they really have remained the best. That's your edge, which will also give you an answer to the second question, how to hold them without being tempted to sell. You'll hold these stocks because you'll know much more about them than others do, since you will get physical information before it became blips and ink, while everyone else will look at screens and see only blips of old information. That's it. Find the best stocks that grow fast, have fat margins, and do it on little capital so they don't need to borrow or sell equity to dilute you. Then sleuth them up close and personal, and hold them and keep holding them. That's the secret. In 30 or 40 years, you'll be very rich and could retire and start a YouTube channel of your own for fun. Now you may ask, won't giving this secret away warn all others not to sell you what you want to buy? Nope. There will always be traders and chart readers and tip seekers and internet watchers and other suckers who complicate things needlessly. It ain't complicated. The secret is simple. As Churchill said, if you settle for nothing but the best, you'll very often get it. Buy my first book to learn how to sleuth a single stock, and buy my second book coming up to learn how to sleuth and hold an entire portfolio of them. There's even a sample in the book of 15 such stocks of high quality as an example. Oh yes, my new book will appear only by the end of February. I found it takes longer than I thought to edit it properly and do the index. But I think you'll like the book, and I especially like the cover. You'll see. That's all for today. Let me know what you think of the above. Give it a like, subscribe, and tell all your friends to subscribe too. I'll see you next time, and meantime, Happy New Year to one and all, and may you have the wisdom to find the best stocks, the willpower to avoid all the rest of them, and the perseverance to hold them for decades, which will pay you multiples on your money for the aggravation of volatility on the way. Happy New Year.